In this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce the number of email conversations shown in your inbox. So friends, if you are facing some more size of this Gmail page and you want to speed up your Gmail to open, so you need to reduce the size of this email page. So click on this gear icon and click on see all settings. Now in the general you will find option maximum page size, show 50 conversations per page. So reduce page size like 10 messages and as your requirement 15 or 20. So if you want to speed up your Gmail, so select 10. Now scroll down and click on save changes. That's it. So by this quick method we can reduce the size of Gmail page. Thanks for watching.